Best folding mountain adventure whites for outdoor enthusiasts. Folding mountain bikes combine the thrill of off-road biking with the practicality of easy storage. Perfect for city dwellers with limited space. These bikes fold into compact sizes, making them ideal for commuters. Easy to transport on public transit or in the trunk of your car. List number 1. AD 26-inch folding mountain bike. Experience adventure with the Ultra AD 26-inch folding mountain bike. This bike offers 21 speeds for varied terrain. Built with high carbon steel, it promises durability and strength. The full suspension ensures a smooth ride on road path. Easy to store, it folds down quickly and efficiently. Dual DC brackets provide safe, reliably stopping power. Its vibrant orange color adds a stylish touch to your outdoor explorations. Advantages: easy storage and transport with its foldable design. Perfect for small spaces. High carbon steel frame offers durability and strength. Reliably for tough trails. List number 2. AD folding mountain bike foldable garis miring foldable bike 26-inch for adult. Discover the thrill of outdoor adventures with the Ultra AD folding mountain bike. Designate for adults, this 26-inch bike ensures a smooth ride with its 21-speed gear system. The high carbon steel frame offers durability and strength for challenging terrains. Dual suspension enhances comfort, absorbing shock on rugged path. Foldable design allows easy storage and transport, perfect for compact spaces. Dual DC brackets provide reliably stopping power, ensuring safety on every ride. Advantages: folding design saves space in small apartments or cars. Dual suspension provides a smooth ride over bumps. List number 3. Folding mountain bike 21 speed adult bikes 26-inch bike with high carbon steel frame. Discover the thrill of adventure with the Kingttu folding mountain bike. Its 21 speed gears promise smooth rides. Built with a high carbon steel frame for durability and strength. Ride confidently with the double kill DC brake system. Enjoy extra comfort with a Taycan shock-absorbing front fork. This stunning red bike is perfect for adult riders seeking excitement. Advantages: explore the great outdoors with the Kingttu folding mountain bike. This bike promises both reliability and adventure. Effortless riding experience. Smooth gear transitions with the 21 speed setup enhance every journey. Ride hills and flat roads with ANCHEER. List number 4. Malaza 26 IC folding mountain bike. Discover the Malaza 26-inch folding mountain bike, perfect for adventurous adults. This bike features 21 speeds, offering smooth rides on various terrains. Its durability ensures stability and longevity, ideal for both men and women. The dual DC brake system provides reliably stopping power. Enjoy the front suspension for a comfortable journey, even on bumpy path. Plus, its foldable design makes storage and transport a breeze. Advantages: experience the convenience of a foldable design. Easily transport and store the Malaza 26-inch folding mountain bike. Perfect for small spaces and frequent travelers. List number 5. Veteran 26-inch folding mountain bike. Experience adventure with the Veteran 26-inch folding mountain bike. Designate for adults, it offers 21 speeds to conquer any terrain. Its full suspension and high carbon steel frame ensure a smooth and steady ride. Quick release, non-slip tires provide safety and convenience. Dual DC brackets promise reliably stopping power. Perfect for those who love exploring the outdoors. Advantages: Explore the thrill of adventure with Veteran S 26-inch folding mountain bike. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, this bike offers numerous advantages. Compact design enhances portability and storage. Ideal for urban dwellers.